Hello, everybody. This is Mr. Magno, and here the objective of this lesson is for you to create a for you to turn a whole into fit. So, what you're going to do now, we're going to open your document, color fractions. Once you're done, you're going to click on the white space so you can have your cursor visible. Press twice on it. And now what I want you to do, you're going to select the right alignment, write your name, write the date, August, what is it today? 18, 2009, 21. Okay, the subject is obviously mathematics. Okay, press enter twice. And now the next step is going to be, since we're creating, what is that word? We're creating holes. What we're gonna do, fits. We're going to do the center alignment, right fit. Let's enter twice. Now we're gonna insert the table. The table is gonna be insert, let me see, it's gonna be one row and 5 columns. So we're gonna insert a table, one row and 5 columns. There you go. One row. This is one row right here, and 5 columns. 2, 3, 4, 5 columns. Enter. Okay. So there it is. Our fits. Let me send some. Since I'm in the break between pages, I'm going to press enter on the fits, and on the the name is going to be this. So this is our fits. Now, notice that they are the same. So what I want you to do is make this a little bigger, and what you're gonna do is going to be, yeah, they'll look the same. So the point on this activity is for you to see that every fraction or every segment is the same length. So now what you're gonna do, we're going to write how you write one fifth in many ways. So one fifth is the fraction, one fifth. Okay, so that's the value of this particular shape. Then we can write it as a 1 out of 5 parts, one part out of 5 parts. Okay, we can also write it as a decimal, and this the decimal is going to be decimal point to 0, because remember, if you come 25 times, that will give you 100, which will be the whole of this fraction. So that will be the decimal part. Then we got to write it as a what is it called? We're gonna write it as a, give me a second, as a, in metric form. We're gonna write it in this way, metric form. It's gonna be 20 over 100, or it can be also 20 out of 20 parts out of 100. Okay, that will be another way to write it down. Let me see. Do we have one more way? I believe we are done with we can write it as a word form. So that's going to be, if you look at the decimal, this decimal right here, this is a decimal form. It's called 20 hundredths. So we will write 20 hundredths. And remember the th at the end. That's what makes the value of this segment a value less than 1. Okay. Also, you can call it one fifth. This is when we use units. So you will use 1/5. Okay. Or you can also call it 20 hundredths. Hundredths. Let me see. This means hundredths. Okay. So now you're going to, what you're going to do now, you're going to be hundreds. So the th. Okay. So it's not letting me write that anymore. Hundred. Okay, there it is. Now, remember, we're gonna give this a white background. So we're gonna select all these letters here, and we're going